Unpacking of Dollarama MoodLab Bluetooth speaker. The packing is really similar to the speaker from Extreme that I bought last year from Dollarama. You can see the speaker here. It's Extreme speaker. It also was bought from Dollarama for $4, and the model you can see on the back. Now they released the new one this year from MoodLab, and the packing is similar. You can see in the bottom it's even written that it was done for Dollarama. Okay, let's go. So what's inside? Packing, speaker, small manual, cable, speaker by itself. The speaker is same buttons in the back, same connection port, micro SD, micro USB, full-size USB, on-off button, and you can see the logo. The speaker is really similar to the one from Extreme that it was bought last year. You can see a little bit different placement of the ports. The front fabric it's much nicer was on Extreme speaker. Also, the Extreme one had the pads on the bottom, so it can stand normally. The weight, the Dollarama one, the new one, it's I think like half of the weight from the Extreme speaker. So basically, the speaker looks nice. It's light, and for the sound quality, also when you turn it on,
the Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
You can see it using some really cheap microcontroller from the I think it's one of the cheapest Chinese controller for this type of the Bluetooth devices. What else? Also, I can show you how to take out the front panel, so you can see what's under it and see the speaker by itself. 1 second. Okay, I can see what's behind this fabric. So basically I use really thin screwdriver and remove the top fabric. And you can see inside there's only one speaker, empty space, no bass. The plastic quality, I would say it's not so good. Let's compare with the Extreme speaker bought last year. So I place them like this, and I'll remove the fabric is much nicer on the Extreme one. Inside you can see that comparing with the new one, you can see the bass one. It creates a big difference on the sound, so I definitely would recommend the Extreme